Apple's Mac Mini has long been a favorite for those seeking a compact yet powerful desktop computer. With Apple's transition to its own silicon chips, the Mac Mini lineup has become even more powerful, energy efficient, and capable of handling everything from video editing to gaming. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 Mac Mini models, highlighting their key features, performance, and best use cases to help you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Apple Mac Mini, late 2018, Core i7 3.2 GHz 6-core 8th Gen, 32GB RAM, 128GB PCI SSD, Wi-Fi Bluetooth, macOS Mojave 10.14.1 is Space Gray. About this item: 3.2 GHz Intel Core i7 6-core up to 4.6 GHz processor with Intel UHD graphics 630, 32GB 2666 MHz DDR4, supports up to 64GB, 128GB M.2 PCI SSD, Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, dual band, 2.45 GHz, ports, 2x USB Type-A, USB 3.1/USB 3.2 Gen 1, 4x Thunderbolt 3, supports DisplayPort, 1x HDMI 2.0, 1/1/8/3.5mm headphone output. macOS 10.14.1 Mojave or later, keyboard and mouse not included. Brand new factory sealed Apple units have not been opened. Number 4. 2020 Apple Mac Mini with Apple M1 chip, 16GB RAM, 1TB SSD storage, silver, renewed. About this item: BTO Mac Mini desktop computer, power cord, Apple 1-year limited warranty with 90-day free technical support, Apple M1 chip with 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine, 16GB unified memory, 1TB SSD storage. Number 3. 2020 Apple Mac Mini with Apple M1 chip, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD storage, silver, renewed. About this item: Apple designed M1 chip for a giant leap in CPU, GPU, and machine learning performance. 8-core CPU packs up to 3x faster performance to fly through workflows quicker than ever. 8-core GPU with up to 6x faster graphics for graphics-intensive apps and games. 16-core neural engine for advanced machine learning. 8GB of unified memory so everything you do is fast and fluid. Number 2. Apple 2023 Mac Mini desktop computer with Apple M2 chip with 8-core CPU and 10-core GPU, 8GB unified memory, 256GB SSD storage, Gigabit Ethernet. Works with iPhone/iPad. About this item: supercharged by M2, get more done faster with a next-generation chip. From rich presentations to immersive gaming, M2 flies through work and play. M2 has 8 CPU cores, 10 GPU cores, and up to 24GB unified memory. Exceptional speed and performance. Connect what you want. Mac Mini with the M2 chip has 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A ports, an HDMI port, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, Gigabit Ethernet, and a headphone jack. And if you want faster networking speeds, you can configure Mac Mini with 10 gigabits Ethernet for up to 10 times the throughput. Simply compatible. All your go-to apps run lightning fast on your Mac Mini desktop, from Microsoft 365 to Adobe Creative Cloud to Zoom. And over 15,000 apps and plugins are optimized for M2. Efficient memory. Unified memory on Mac does more than traditional RAM. A single pool of high bandwidth, low latency memory allows Apple Silicon to move data fast so everything you do is fluid. Choose up to 24GB memory with M2. More memory means easier multitasking and handling of large files. Fast SSD storage. Mac Mini comes with all-flash storage for all your photo and video libraries, files, and apps. Choose up to 2TB SSD with M2. Number 1. Apple 2024 Mac Mini desktop computer with M4 chip with 10-core CPU and 10-core GPU, built for Apple Intelligence, 16 GB unified memory, 256 GB SSD storage, Gigabit Ethernet. Works with iPhone/iPad. About this item, size down. Power up. The far mightier, way tinier Mac Mini desktop computer is 5 by 5 inches of pure power. Built for Apple intelligence. Redesigned around Apple Silicon to unleash the full speed and capabilities of the spectacular M4 chip. With ports at your convenience. On the front and back, looks small. Lives large at just 5 by 5 inches, Mac Mini is designed to fit perfectly next to a monitor and is easy to place just about anywhere. Convenient connections. Get connected with Thunderbolt, HDMI, and Gigabit Ethernet ports on the back end. For the first time, front-facing USB-C ports and a headphone jack. Supercharged by M4, the powerful M4 chip delivers spectacular performance so everything feels snappy and fluid. Built for Apple Intelligence. Apple Intelligence is the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data, not even Apple. Apps fly with Apple Silicon. All your favorites, including Microsoft 365 and Adobe Creative Cloud, run lightning fast in macOS. If you love iPhone, you'll love Mac. Mac works like magic with your other Apple devices. View and control what's on your iPhone from your Mac with iPhone mirroring. Copy something on iPhone and paste it on Mac. Send texts with messages or use your Mac to answer FaceTime calls. Carbon neutral. Mac Mini is carbon neutral. Learn more about Apple's commitment to the environment at apple.com/2030. Legal disclaimers. This is a summary of the main product features. See below to learn more.